Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to this video in the SketchUp series. This short video we're going to learn how to make simple components and how to combine the components. So let's go ahead and get this one started. I already have two items drawn up here. Each one has different lines and shapes and two different designs. So we're going to make this one component or one entity, and we're going to make this one component or one entity. Very easy process. So I have my pick tool selected. I'm just going to select all these at once. Right click, go down to the make component, and I am going to name this ABC. In the description, I'm just going to write post. You can name it anything that you like, it doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to come down here to the bottom and hit this create radio button. Now you'll notice every time I click on this, the whole component the whole entity is now a component. So if I wanted to move it, I could just click anywhere on here and just move it anywhere in my drawing that I needed to. So let's go ahead and make the second object a component. I'm going to go back to my pick tool. Just going to highlight all of this. Right click, go down to make component. I'm going to name this 1, 2, 3. In a description. You don't have to put a description here if you don't like to. I'm going to put, it kind of looks like a home base on a baseball field, so I'm just going to name it base. Hit create, and there you go, we have another component here. So I'm going to take this component and join it up to this component right here on these two corners. Just left click and drag. It's a little bit off, so I'm going to line them up a little bit better. Just left click and drag to where I need it to go. Okay, so now we have two components touching each other. We can go ahead and highlight both of these. Right click, make a component. I'm going to call it ABC 1, 2, 3. Create. And now if we click on the move, both of them move together as one entity. Very easy process. You'll use this a lot in your drawings. I would suggest that you get used to this. It's fairly simple. I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.